Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Unfortunately, you can't add already existing audio file, so you need to create it and add it from here. To do that, hold the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. Then record wherever you wish to, and to discard your recording, slide to the left. If you wish to add it instead, just let go of the microphone icon. Now to add a video file, hit this plus at the bottom left corner. If your video is recent, click on it right away. Or select gallery icon on the left. Click on video category and create it. Then to add it, select checkmark at the bottom. Following that, you can click on it over here and tap on Add at the top right corner to add it. You can do that also with already existing video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!